Hello and welcome back. My name is Gabby. I'm an English teacher here at Options for Youth Marina Valley, and this is English 12B, Unit 8, Performance Task 3. It is the final part of your persuasive essay that you wrote in Unit 7. You presented it to me, you got some feedback on it. So what you're doing here is you're just going over the final draft, checking this checklist and looking at this rubric to make sure that it's what you want it to be before you turn it in for your final grade. So first things first, did you start with a strong lead? Do you have that hook? So a pervasive story or short story. A hook could also be questions or interesting facts or statistics. Do you have a thesis statement or a claim that clearly states your opinion? It's a persuasive essay, right? So I need to be able to tell exactly what it is that you're talking about. So it was about political campaigns, right? You got to tell me exactly what it is that you want to do, otherwise I might have some guesses or unclarity, something that's not clear, and then if I feel like that, your paper's not going to be as easy to pass. Did you identify your problem and propose a solution? So that should be in your thesis statement. Did you include well-organized evidence that supports your argument, such as facts, examples, and statistics? Remember, facts and examples and statistics should probably be in quotes, and quotes always have citations. So you should have in-text citations, which is the parenthesis, last name, page number, parenthesis, period, or whatever punctuation that you need, and a bibliography, so easybib.com. Did you follow, or did your conclusion follow from support and support your ideas? Do you conclude with a call to action that tells what you want your audience to do? So did you give me something to do, something that I could actually do in order to change the things the way that you want to change them? Or did you just kind of like leave it flat there so I don't know what to do? Did you proofread, make sure the spelling, grammar, and punctuation was correct? Did you center your title, give me your name? At the Emily formatting, top left corner. Is it 2 to 3 pages in length, Times New Roman or Arial, 12-point font? Is it 1-inch margins, 1.5 or smaller line spacing, and an indent in each paragraph? I don't know. If so, click yes. I'm okay if you double space it, honestly. That's MLA. I don't know what this is. I don't like it. This is the rubric. So in order to pass, you need to get at least 21. You want to make sure that your claims, and you have a counterclaim, right? So that means you went against yourself to see the other side and shoot that down, are logical and clearly organized. So a lot of the times what they do is like body paragraph 1, claim. Body paragraph 2, claim. Body paragraph 3, counterclaim, and then rebuttal. So dogs are the best because they're loyal. Dogs are the best because they learn 1,000 tricks. Dogs are the best, or cats, people might think are the best because they're independent. However, that independence is actually more frustrating because you get less reward. So you say dogs are cuddly, right? Something like that. And then you shoot that down with evidence. And then, let's see, well-structured concluding statement that effectively supports the argument. So you want to make sure that you wrap it all up together and you give me a call to action. So next time you're thinking about adopting an animal, adopt a dog instead of a cat. And then purposeful steps taken to develop and strengthen writing by planning. So I can tell that you used an outline and it's not just a rant. But that's all for performance task 3. If you need any help, let me know. Other than that, I will see you for the alternative assessment or the review.